Today is Wednesday, February the 3rd, and we're in our interactive notebook. On Monday, you did your vocabulary page. Tuesday, you worked with fractions of a whole and learning how to do those unit fractions and shaded fractions. So what you're going to do on Wednesday is practicing everything you learned. Now you have an interactive notebook page that has a bunch of little rectangles with shapes that have been cut into fractional parts. I want you to cut these out and glue them on the next 2 pages. So if you look at my sheet, you're going to see I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces on the front. Now there were 9 pieces, I believe, and I put the other 3 on the back because I want to have room to do several things. I want you practicing your unit fractions and your shaded fractions. So what I want you to do on each picture is I want you to tell me a unit fraction. So I'm going to put unit blank. I want to know the shaded fraction. So I'm going to write shaded blank. And I want to know what the whole fraction would be. So my whole, if I wanted the whole thing, what would that be? So on every picture, one more time, I want you to give yourself room to tell me the unit fraction, the shaded fraction, and the whole fraction. So put that on all of your pictures. So I'm only going to do the first 3 that I have glued down, and then I want you to complete all of them, writing these 3 answers as practice on your unit fractions. So I'm going to do the top 3. The unit fraction on this picture, because there are 4 pieces, would be 1/4. 1 is units, 4 total, so my denominator is 4. The shaded fraction, because I see 3 parts are shaded, is going to be 3/4. 3 are shaded, 4 is my total. My whole fraction, if I counted all the pieces, my whole fraction would be 4/4, because I'm taking the whole picture. All right, let me do this circle one. My unit fraction on the circle is also 1/4 because there are 4 total pieces. My shaded fraction on the circle is also 3/4 because 3 of the 4 pieces are shaded. And my whole fraction again is 4/4 because there are 4 total 1/4 pieces. So these 2 match, even though they're not the same shape, their fractional parts are the same. All right, last one I'm going to do with you, and then I want you to finish the rest of them on your own. So I will have 3 of the 9 pieces completed. You do the other 6. My unit fraction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1/8 is my unit fraction since there are 8 total pieces. My shaded fraction, 1, 2, 3, 4/8, because 4 out of the 8 pieces are shaded. And my whole fraction would be 8/8 because there are 8 total pieces. All right, practice doing your unit fractions, your shaded fractions, and your whole fractions on the other 6 pieces. That's your Wednesday interactive notebook.